Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming addition and creating a restore point because these changes require admin rights and can affect updates. Once done, sign into an administrator account and back up critical files to an external drive or cloud. Make sure your device is on AC power or a UPS to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, and pause updates immediately to buy time while you prepare the more permanent controls. Next, you'll stop automatic downloads by editing services and policies. Open Services. MSC, find Windows Update, set Startup Type to Disabled and stop the service. This prevents the background agent from running. Once done, use Group Policy Editor, gpedit. MSC, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update, and disable Configure Automatic Updates. If you're on Home, set your Wi-Fi to finish, reboot and confirm updates remain paused in settings, and that the Windows Update service stays stopped. If you used Group Policy, run gpupdate/force to apply changes immediately and check Windows Update status. Make sure Windows Update Medic service hasn't auto-re-enabled settings. If it did, reapply the service, disable and check scheduled tasks. If things go wrong, restore your system point or undo registry/policy edits. Using System Restore returns the prior state safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.